breathing into this moment, we simply relax, remembering our true nature, and that it's more than enough to lean into that. Though the world may tell us to reach to the outer for affirmation, confirmation, accolades, resources, answers, guidance, engagement, attention. The truth is, it is simple. The guidance system is written within your own heart. The great source of your being created the spiritual infrastructure within you, within me, within all of life, to bring forth all that is needed in this moment. We may not get the map, the plan, the list, the supplies at the time that our sense of separation wants it, our sense of ego, our sense of need. But none of that is necessary. All that is necessary is that we listen. Take the first step. Go directly to God. Trust in spiritual resource, our spiritual source, the light within us and among us, to guide us and direct our ways in each and every moment. And with a deep inhale and exhale, we just allow our shoulders to roll back, remembering that this practice is more than enough. This practice is the bold practice. It takes everything, because it is one thing: leaning into spirit. Breathing into the silence. We allow ourselves to come home. And so it is.